this for Christmas?
Yeah.
Okay, then. Santa Claus bring it to you?
1, 2.
Oh, boy.
2.
So is 1.
Yeah.
What? Okay, pick it up off the track.
Oh.
Okay, yeah, pick it up. Now you put a car up there. Logan put a car up there. Go on, Logan put a car.
Okay.
Go.
House is 72,700.
Hey!
Yeah.
Oh, boy.
You want to work?
Go see the getting water in that refrigerator. Wait, I'm thirsty.
Yeah, wait, I just brought some in.
Start back at the top. There you go.
Matt, you want something there?
Yeah.
What?
Pop.
Pop. Woo! Wee!
Oh, oh,
What are you saying?
oh,
What?
Off the track.
Off the track.
Okay, let's see.
Whoa.
Go on. Oh, try it again.
A little closer. Okay, now.
Try it again. No,
Up
you gotta
higher.
start at
You
the
gotta have it
top.
way up here at the top. Yeah. Okay.
Oh. Ready? Go.
Yay!
Uh-oh. Pick it up. You got it on the car. Okay. Is there another one under there?
Yeah.
Is there? Let's look. Pick it up. Any cars under there? Oh, you're right, buddy.
Tony, pop.
There you go.
Pop.
What?
Pop.
Show pop. No, you got
Oh,
two
now we
states.
got it bent.
You got a kink in it.
Yeah.
There we go. There you go. Is it going to be all right?
There's like a kink in it right there.
Pink.
Go on.
Oh,
Oh, Mose. Here, let's grab. Here.
What?
Momo.
Yeah.
There. Now go.
Mom. Pop.
What?
Cheese.
Cheese.
Say hello.
Say hi. Say hi to the camera.
Who's on your shirt?
Who's number 9?
Who's number 9?
Tony.
Who? Nolan. Who's on your shirt?